By the end of this video, you will learn how head tracking works. Why do we use it? We use it so that our character stays in the center and always stays in focus. So that is why we use head tracking. By the way, my composition settings are 1080p by 1080p 60 frames per second. First, we will import our clips into After Effects. First, we will double click to turn on the frame blending and also turn on the motion blur. We will go to the window, click on tracker, and our tracker panel will be enabled. After we bring up the tracker panel and click on stabilize motion, we will see two square boxes. We will place them in a position where we get a stable track. If we put them on the eyes, the tracker will break when they blink. So we will set them on the nose where there is just steady movement, ensuring our tracker stays accurate. After doing all these settings, you need to click on the options in the tracker panel. Once you're in options, we will set the confidence to 90. After that, we click on stop tracking and then click OK. This way, if the confidence drops below 90, it will stop tracking and then we can manually correct it. Now from here, we will click on the Analyze Forward button. This will let After Effects track the motion frame by frame. Now our confidence dropped below 90, so the tracking stopped. We will manually fix it by adjusting the tracker back to where we had it placed before, and then we will click Analyze Forward again and it will continue tracking from there. If it stops again, you just repeat this process. Our tracking is now complete. Now we will apply it in both dimensions in X and Y. As soon as we applied it, the issue is that we have black bars at the top and bottom. To avoid this, we will increase the scale slightly so that it fills the frame. We will press S on the keyboard and that will open the scale properties. From there, we can increase it to make the frame fill properly. Once we adjust the scale properly so that the black bars are gone, we will press P. This will open the position property, and once the position is open, we will move our character into place at the correct position.